Good morning, welcome to Lombok. I arrived like yesterday, pretty late, so and I waited till this moment. Little dog, stray dog. Fisher boats are just leaving, and yeah, well, the sun just got up, so yeah, everybody's still waking up. Even the chicken is just waking up. Hello, family of chickens. Hello. All the dogs are coming out. Hey doggo, what did you find? Huh? Today I'm gonna explore the island. And well, what do you need? You need wheels. Here we go. I saw the sign like beach, and well, this is a nice beach. I really want to try, but I have so much stuff on me, and well, yeah, I don't have my waterproof case for my GoPro, so not gonna happen. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. I just parked my scooter, motorbike, whatever, and I forgot my GoPro. I left it attached to the motorbike. So, oh my god, I've been shooting all kinds of photos, and so I ran back, and the guy was standing there next to my motorbike, guarding it. So yeah, I kind of felt like I had to pay some extra. But yeah, I do still have my GoPro. Oh my god, my heart was pounding. Second time today, I have arrived at Belana.